What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to record WhatsApp video call with audio on iPhone. So firstly, if you don't use the screen recording icon on your control center, open Settings app, then go to Control Center. Scroll down, then tap the plus icon next to screen recording. This will add a recording shortcut to your control center. Now swipe down from the top right corner or up from the bottom or older iPhones to open Control Center. Tap the screen recording icon and an 3-second countdown will begin and recording will start automatically. Open WhatsApp and start your video call and you'll know recording is active if red recording icon appears in the status bar at the top of your screen. Now once the call is finished, open Control Center again, tap the screen recording icon to stop recording and then open the Photos app on your iPhone. You'll find your WhatsApp video call recording saved as a video file. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.